All right, welcome back. Drafting 1/4 4, it's where we've been working. Let's open that up. I'm scrolling down. Working on drawing 3 for week 2. I've got that assignment open up already up here. We're going to draw and dimension all necessary views. Now, on this drawing, we're only going to do the top view and the front view. The right side view, even though they give you the dimension for this and all the dimensions here, that dimension gets a little bit confusing, especially when you're doing this this detail back here. So let's just do the top view and the front view. So let me zoom in. We'll discuss this drawing real quick. All right, so let's use the top view first. All right. From the hammerhead to the back of the claw is 190 millimeters. This is a metric drawing in millimeters. The outside shoulder of the back part of the hammer to the outside shoulder is 60 millimeters. On the front head, diameter is 50 millimeters. The interior column of this hammerhead is 30 millimeters in diameter. There's a radius of your round on this front edge is a radius of 5 on both sides here. The thickness of that front head is 20 millimeters. The thickness of that back neck here is 20 millimeters. And from this corner to here is 80 millimeters. Now, there's a radius, there's basically several radiuses here. The first radius is 150 millimeters. This radius here is 100 millimeters. 9 millimeters from the front to the center line of this. 25 millimeters from the bottom to the center line. 60 millimeters from the bottom to top crown here. And your radius on your top, if we were to do the right side, would be 60 millimeters. But again, I'm only going to require you to do the front and the top view. And you notice there's no slot here for the head, for the handle. And we're not going to worry about doing that. You see your hidden line here from this section here. All right. But it is 120 millimeters from the back edge to this edge, so it gives you that information. So let's go to the drawing. Now, this one gets a really wide. It's in metrics. It's in millimeters again. And so the construction lines make it really wide. And if you leave those on, it gets sort of hard to see the whole thing. So let me go ahead and close that down. Then I can zoom in on it. When my computer finally decides to catch up with me. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Accidentally went too far. All right, so this is 100 millimeter radius here. 150 millimeters radius there. It's 60 from the bottom to the top of the crown. 50 millimeters on the front of the head. 30 millimeters on the cylinder of the head. your radius of 5 millimeters on either side here. It's a 30-degree angle here. You notice your radius of 60 crown on there, on top. It's 120 millimeters back here to this section here. 190 to the front edge. 60 from edge to edge here. 50 from this side of the head to this side of the head. 30 millimeters for your cylinder. Once you get this drawing completed, it would be wise to go ahead and turn in drawing 1, 2, and 3 for the week, and then start working on the next thing.